Better say that.
Who
do you love?
Don't give me the pen. Okay, babe, kiss me here. Good job. Good job. Okay, kiss me here. Yo.
Good morning, everybody. This is Jessa. She is trying to clean the stove because when we made lumpia, it splattered all over the place because we didn't have it covered. Here,
Didn't even eat the lumpia.
babe, say hi.
Didn't even eat the lumpia.
Say hi to everyone, babe. Come on, say hi, babe.
You keep zooming it.
I zoomed out.
No, you zoom. You
Oh,
keep zooming
okay. Turn the motion knob down. Oh, ninja. Hey, na, hua. Hey, ha, hoo.
You will miss me. It's gonna
Absolutely.
leave soon.
I did eat the lumpia, babe, but you made it with the oil that makes me upset, my stomach upset. So they're mixed up and I don't know which oil you made one in. Hey, you better stop that.
You keep focus.
You better stop that. Oh, you're so pretty, babe. You're so pretty, babe. You don't have to worry. Oh, look at you, baby. Hey. Hey. She's just mad because I'm leaving.
No.
Oh, yeah, you are.
No.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Epal. Isa pa.
Oh, you're mad. Oh. Who do you love, babe?
You're just gonna miss me.
Who do you love,
Oh,
babe?
no.
Yeah. Say it, babe.
Who do you love?
Who do you love,
Who do
babe?
you love muna?
Who do you love, huh?
Who do you love muna?
You better say it.
You better say it.
Come on.
Come on, babe.
You better say that.
You
Who do you love,
Don't
babe?
give me the pinch.
Wow, you don't want to say it?
Of course, Travis.
Oh, okay.
No abs.
More abs than she's got. She's jealous because I can grow the muscles that she cannot. Look, I mean,
no.
what more is there to prove? What? Oh, no, Jessa. Actually, her nickname is NAJ, Noab Jessa. NAJ. Babe, wow, this zoom is really good. I can really zoom in on you.
Tell them where, when you will go.
Let's see, I leave pretty soon. Gonna go to Gulfport, Mississippi. I've got a school for about a month. My mom's gonna fly down and stay with her. So she has some company other than little white demon here. Look, she looks so innocent, this polar bear, but she's not. So we got the room all set up. The guest room is all set up. So we kind of rearranged the gaming room, right? So mom's bed, dressers, Jessa's table, and then she's got a TV, and it's nice. It's a queen size bed, so it actually fits pretty well in the room with all the, you know, stuff that we have.
Hi guys! Good morning! Magawa ko ng pancake ni Travis bago siya umalis. And wala akong pasok today. Nung mga nakaraang araw, naging busy ako sa work, and hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi almost, sometimes 9 hours or almost 10 hours yung pasok, yung trabaho ko, no? Kasi nga, from mid-shift to closing. So, pumapasok ako ng 1:00, tapos minsan nagko-close kami. Noong nakaraan, nag-close kami ng mga almost 10 na. Tapos, kahapon, nag-close kami ng medyo maaga, 9:15 or 9:20, mga ganyan. So, today, isi-send lang namin yung ganap namin today, send lang namin tong package na ipapadala ko sa family ko. Ayan. Yun yung mga gamit na inipon namin dito sa bahay. Inipon namin ni Travis na hindi na namin magagamit. Sensya na medyo makalat pa, hindi pa ako nakapaglinis. And pupunta dito si Mama Karen ng, April 30, birthday din ni Travis yun. Para meron kaming kasama ni Kinsley, ano. And si Kinsley kasi, syempre mag-isa lang si Kinsley kung aalis si Travis, wala siya dito. And ako, pumapasok ako sa trabaho. Tapos, ayun, malaking tulong na din kasi nandito si Ma'am Karen, 'di ba? Tapos, 1 month kami magiging LDR ni Travis. 1 month LDR na naman. Para sa akin parang matagal kasi nga nagkasama kami dito na araw-araw, tapos ng ilang taon, tapos yun biglang may training siya ng 1 month, o 'di ba? So yun. Are you gonna miss me?
Yeah.
Liar.
You're gonna miss me more.
You're like, yeah.
You're gonna really miss me.
You're gonna miss us, Kinsley.
Kinsley's gonna miss me more than you.
Look at Kinsley.
She's hiding the underwear she took.
Kasi ko lang yung niluto ko, baka masunog na. We'll see you later.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Welcome back. Andito na kami ngayon sa Makati Express Cargo. Diyan ako nagpapadala and sama ko ang aking husband and si Kinsley. Binigyan nila ako ulit ng box, diba? Pauwi na kami ngayon guys and wala akong nga pasok. 3 days walang pasok. Ang sarap ano. Tapos work na naman ng 3 days. Pero ang work ko is minsan 9 hours. 9 hours mahigit. Ganun. So, anong balak natin, babe? What's our plan today?
We're gonna head back home. I'm gonna go to the gym.
Yeah.
And I don't know what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna edit my video.
Ooh.
Yep. And I'm hungry now. Okay, we'll go home na, guys. Nakauwi na kami ng bahay, guys. And sila Travis na sa labas. Tingnan natin. Dito sila. Nalinis ni Travis yung garage. I'm so proud of him. Naglinis siya. Kasi tinanggal niya. Pero medyo magulo pa rin siya. Ayan. Pero naayos niya dito. Diba? Ang dami niyang gamit. Aayusin pa daw namin. Kasi tatanggalin namin itong box. Ayan, yung box dito. Tapos, i-move namin to. Tapos, ayusin niya yung sasakyan, yung motor niya. Ililipat niya dito sa site. So, marami pa kami nga ayusin, ano. Asan na yung dalawa? Meron na nga palang bagong pool dito. Kasi nga, ito yung bagong tayong apartment, diba? May bagong pool dito. Pero, i-open daw nila sa, kailan ba? Sa tawag nito? Memorial's Day, ano. So, pwede kaming mag-swimming dyan. Ang laki ng pimples ko. Pwede kami mag-swimming. So, pero, andito na pala si Mama Karen ng April 30, birthday yun ni Travis. And baka kumain kami sa labas, ano. Na-prepare na rin namin yung gamit niya. Ay, yung higaan niya dito. And meron din ako mga nilagay dito na parang mga shampoo niya. Ay, meron pa naman akong doon. Kung ayaw niya ng gantong shampoo. Pero Tresemme kasi yung ginagamit niya. Tapos nilagyan ko siya dito ng mga alam mo na, yung pang mga anik-anik skincare. Kung gusto niyang gamitin. Tapos ito yung bed na inayos ni Travis nung nakaraan. Nagayos siya dito eh. 'Di ba? Sinipag yung asawa ko. Hindi namin si Kinsley dito sa bed kasi nga puro buhok niya. Ito yung isang kwarto. Nilagay namin yung... Dalawa kasi yung mattress. Sorry, mattress. Yung mattress namin, mattress. Mattress. Dalawa kasi yung basta, yung kutsyon. Yan na lang. Yung kutsyon namin, binigyan si Travis ng ganito. Pampukpok niya daw sa akin pag, matigas daw ang ulo ko. Charo. Binigay sa kanya kahapon. Ayan. Nilagay niya din ng niya dyan. Ay, to 2021. Nasa Bahrain kami niyan eh. 2021 pala siya naging chief. Ayan. Diba? Ang tagal ng mag-ama. Asan na yung dalawa? Bakit wala? Wala, nagtai ata. Wala pa rin. Did you go? Kaya pala ang tagal nila.
We were outside playing with the neighbors.
Tapos,
They have a
punta kami doon.
German Shepherd puppy. Do you want to
Makapaglaro
bring one
na.
of her toys? Here.
Maybe. We
I'll
can.
bring her a brush too.
The one that she,
bag just in case. As
Wait
well.
lang. Wait lang.
I know you should.
Yeah, my last dog was white. The hair was always pain.
Oh man.
So bad.
Everything.
God,
What kind of dog you had?
Right now?
Your last
It
dog?
was
Uh-huh.
a Walker Hound. I think
Oh.
it was a mutt. We weren't sure, but when you looked at pictures, that's what it looked most like, was a
Mhm.
Walker Hound. But yeah, he had white with like a few black spots, and it got everywhere.
But right now you have husky.
No, he's
German.
they
German.
think his mom was a German Shepherd.
Oh, cool.
And then they're not.
Come on, pretty girl. You're not in the dog park
I
yet,
know,
Kinsley.
Let me run.
Come on.
You're gonna run into the car. It's like simple, like.
We're gonna go to the dog park.
There's another
Oh.
like a what is it, a Labradoodle or whatever that walks around. They love each other. Oh my god. They're big.
Oh, the
too.
little one.
Yeah, you made a new friend.
There's like a brown one.
This.
How old is she? Oh, he? Oh, 5. Come on. Yeah.
She's like the most gentle giant. So.
Yeah, bro, you got friends.
Yeah. Kinsley.
She doesn't care.
Yeah.
She's like,
Oh yeah, she just need to run around. Oh, oh no, oh no.
Reggae!
oh my god.
She's full of energy.
I'm not really good after that. There was a Chihuahua that got off leash and came after and like frozen in
Kinsley!
tracks when it got up to her.
Kinsley. Look at Kinsley, babe. Ito kami sa park.
He's like ready to go to sleep already.
Nakalaro na sila, Kinsley. Thank you.
I mean, at least they have a dog park here. So.
That was fun, Kinsley, huh?
Oh no, you guys don't want to play in there? You're not going to play out there. Oh no, that's okay. We're good now.
She's tired now. Uwi na kami. Pagod na pagod si Kinsley. Nakamit siya ng 2 aso. Yung isang aso na itim, kapitbahay namin yun, nakatira sila sa taas. Tapos yung isa, dito lang din sa may street namin, doon sila nakatira. Nakipaglaro sila, at least nakapaglaro si Kinsley, ano siya ngayon.
She had fun.
Yeah. Nakapag-takbo-takbo siya para mapagod siya. Tulog agad siya mamaya. Muna ko, girl, ah. Grabe. Grabe yan, girl. Kinsley. Babe, she needs another food. Ayun lang guys, yung vlog natin for today. And pupunta ng gym si Travis. Hindi ako pupunta ngayon kasi bago ko magkaroon, parang medyo tinatamad talaga ako. Ayoko ayoko masyadong kasi 3 days naman yung off ko. Bukas mag-gym ako. Pag medyo feeling ko. Pag medyo hindi ako tinamad, kasi nga, pagod ako rin kahapon. Gabi na kami nakapag-close. Ayun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you guys for watching. And mag-vlog ako, don't worry, bago umalis si Travis. And sa birthday niya. Birthday niya is April 30. Inubos niya na yung tubig. Uhaw na uhaw. See you guys next time. Bye!
Oh, my wife will give me kisses.
Okay, babe. Kiss me here. Good job.
Kiss me now.
Good job. Okay, kiss me here. Good job.
She kissed me.
No, kiss me, Muzi. Good job.
If you bring your cheek to me, you're kissing me.
No.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Dali. Stop! Isa! Dali na, kiss me. Kiss me na. Kiss me na. Oh. Kiss me na!
Kiss me. I'm leaving. Better kiss me. You better kiss me. Alright, I'm gonna leave. 3, 2.
Okay, babe. Thank you. Okay, kiss me na. And then
You're welcome. Okay, kiss me.
Love you, bye.
Oh!